Hello everyone! So in this short video I want to show you how you can change from comma to semicolon in the Excel formula. So for example, when I just type in the sum formula, you see here I need to press a comma in between the numbers that I can add them up. Here I get the sum of these numbers. But now I want to change from comma to semicolon. And for that you just go to System Preferences, you go to Language and Region, and here you just go to Advanced, and here in Number Separators you click comma. And with this adjustment it should be done. Open a new Excel sheet. You see we have here now the semicolon. So we can add the numbers like that again. Perfect. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.